As he's got an impeccable taste for singers, for great singers. He had Dave Gorn, Alison Moyer. Before I came along, he did a single. There was a group called The Assembly, and now I'd like to introduce to you Mr. Fergal Sharkey. Share this one. It's why it's always helpful to say good evening, everyone. I have to just very quickly say something. It's 20 years since I stood in front of a crowd like you guys, and the only reason I would have ever have done it was for this man standing over here. Story, got it all worked.